In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find gold on Bookmap. If you've tried typing gold or XAUUSD into Bookmap and nothing came up, you're not alone. This trips up a lot of beginners because Bookmap doesn't pull spot forex pairs the way many charting platforms do. Instead, Bookmap is built around exchange data, and gold on exchanges is traded as futures on the COMEX, which is part of the CME group. That means you won't find it under XAUUSD. To see gold in Bookmap, you need to load the gold futures symbol. The main symbol to know is GC, which stands for Gold Futures. GC by itself refers to the gold futures instrument, and then each specific contract is identified by a month code plus a year. For example, GCG26 means the February 2026 gold futures contract. A quick primer on the month codes you'll commonly see. G is February, M is June, and Z is December. The final two digits are the year. So when you're looking through the list, pick the contract month and year that match the one you want to trade or analyze, usually the most active front month. Here's how to load it inside Bookmap. Click the plus icon to add an instrument. Next, choose your data provider, such as DXFeed or Heatmap. In the symbol field, type GC. Bookmap will show you available GC contracts. Select the correct contract month and year, then click Subscribe. If everything is set up properly, Bookmap will open the chart along with the order book and heatmap for that contract. If gold doesn't show up after that, there are a few very common reasons. First, you might not have an active data subscription for CME/COMEX metals. Gold futures require that exchange entitlement, and it's not included in the free plan. Without it, the symbol simply won't load data. Second, double-check the contract symbol. Gold futures roll every month, and using an expired or inactive contract will result in a blank or stalled chart. For example, if you meant to load February 2026, you'd pick something like GCG26. Choosing the wrong month or year won't display current data. Third, be aware that the free version of Bookmap is mostly limited to crypto. Viewing gold requires a paid data plan that includes CME COMEX through your chosen provider. Once you've confirmed the correct contract and data access, you're ready to analyze gold in Bookmap, just like any other futures market, with full depth of market and order flow visibility.